The doctor is in.
Hello and welcome to Doc Talk. Over the past few months, with the coronavirus pandemic, ventilators have been in the news. So today we'll take a look at what is a mechanical ventilator. A ventilator is an external machine which helps a patient breathe normally through his own lungs. The ventilator has been around since the early 1950s, when in 1949 John Emerson prototyped a model after his success with the iron lung model from before. Here we can see some of the early machines used. Now, in order to understand how a ventilator works, let's take a quick look at oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. The cells of our body require oxygen for their normal day-to-day functioning. This oxygen is brought to them via the blood and the carbon dioxide that they produce after their activities is released into the blood. The blood carries this dissolved carbon dioxide in it right up to the lungs, where air from the external atmosphere is breathed in and the oxygen is exchanged for the carbon dioxide of the blood. This carbon dioxide is then breathed out into the atmosphere. When there is a breakdown in any part of this complex mechanism, the patient may require a ventilator. A ventilator is connected to the lungs and passes air under pressure in order to inflate the lungs. This results in a normal breathing and exchange of the gases, namely oxygen and carbon dioxide, so that the carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and taken out of the system. Ventilators have been around for the past 70 odd years and even today continue to save countless lives every single day. This has been a brief look at what a ventilator is. Thank you for joining me on Doc Talk. This is Akhilesh.